Today we're going to learn how to make basmati rice. Basmati rice has always been a puzzle that I could never solve. Each time I tried to make it, it never turned out the way I wanted. Either it was too soft or too hard, but fear no more. This recipe that I'm about to share will solve all your problems. First, we're going to measure 300 grams or 1 2/3 cups of basmati rice. Then we're going to start washing the rice. This step is very important because we want to remove all the extra starch from the rice to ensure it doesn't end up too hard. With a strainer, keep rinsing the rice until it becomes translucent and the water is no longer opaque. This step is so crucial, so repeat it 3 or 4 times until you achieve the desired result. Next, place the rice in a pot and add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add 2 cups of water or just enough water so that it covers the rice by 2 centimeters. Now, bring the rice to a boil on high heat. Once it starts boiling, cover the pot with a lid and set the stove to the lowest heat. Set a timer for 13 minutes and let the rice cook on low heat with the lid on. After 13 minutes, remove the lid and set the pot aside. Once that's done, take a fork or a spoon and gently fluff your rice, and that's it. If this was helpful, please don't hesitate to like, subscribe, or leave a comment down below.